Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family, hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to share you most important MCQs related to Pakistan. So let's get started. The question number 1 is, name the first Pakistani bank which started its operation on August 17, 1947, and the correct answer is option B, Habib Bank Limited. Question number 2 is, when the first agriculture reform were introduced in Pakistan, and the correct answer is option C, January 24, 1959. Question number 3 is, the first canal water agreement was made with India on, and the correct answer is May 4, 1948. Question number 4 is, when first census was conducted in Pakistan, and the correct answer is 1951. Question number 5 is, who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of Pakistan, and the correct answer is option B, F.M. Khan. Question number 6 is, name the first Chief Justice of Pakistan, and the correct answer is Justice Sardar A. Rashid. Question number 7 is, when the first constitution of Pakistan was announced, and the correct answer is option C, March 23, 1956. Question number 8 is, when for the rehabilitation of refugees emergency was declared for the first time in the history of Pakistan, and the correct answer is August 27, 1948. Question number 9 is, the first Gazette of Pakistan issued on August 15, 1947, and the correct answer is for appointment of Governor General of Pakistan. Option B. Question number 10 is, who was the first foreign minister of Pakistan, and the correct answer is option D, Zafrullah Khan. Question number 11 is, who was the first chief minister of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and the correct answer is option B, Dr. Khan Sahib. Question number 12 is, who was the first chief minister of Balochistan from May 1972 to February 1973, and the correct answer is option B, Sardar Ataullah Mangal. Question number 13 is, name the first governor of Punjab from August 1947 to August 1949, and the correct answer is Sir Francis Modi. Question number 14 is, name the first governor of Sindh, and the correct answer is Ghulam Hussain Hidayatullah. Question number 15 is, name the first governor of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and the correct answer is Sir George Cunningham. Question number 16 is, first martial law was imposed in, and the correct answer is October 1958. Question number 17 is, which of the following was the first 5 years plan implemented in Pakistan, and the correct answer is 1955 to 1960. Question number 18 is, name the first president of Pakistan, and the correct answer is Sikandar Mirza. Question number 19 is, who was the first captain of Pakistan cricket team, and the correct answer is Hafiz Kardar. Question number 20 is, who was the first governor of State Bank of Pakistan, and the correct answer is Zahid Hussain. Question number 21 is, the first Pakistani postal stamp was issued in, and the correct answer is July 1948.